Hello students, hope you all are in the pink of your health. Today, my topic is very familiar to all of you and the topic is tenses. All of you know that tenses are of three kinds: present tense, past tense and future tense. Further, these three kinds of tenses are divided in sub four parts: simple tense, continuous tense, perfect tense, and perfect continuous tense. Now, students, the major problem that the students are facing is changing the forms of tenses from one kind to another. Now, with the help of example, I will explain you how to change the forms of tenses. Students, while changing the tenses, the most important thing is to identify the form of verb in the given sentence. I have told you earlier also that identification of verb is very important. Then only it will be easy for you to change the tense. Now let's take an example. For example, he writes a letter. Identification of verb. This is the first form of verb. It tells that it is simple present. Now, next example is he is writing a letter. The word is and ing to verb indicates that it is continuous tense. Students, always remember that whenever is, am, are plus ing to verb is given, it is continuous tense. Now, third is he has written a letter. The word has and third form of verb indicates that it is perfect tense. Always remember that whenever in a sentence has or have along with third form of verb is given, it is perfect tense. Now number 4, he has been writing a letter. Again, do the identification. Has been plus ing indicates that it is perfect continuous tense. Students, whenever there is has or have along with been plus ing to the verb, it is present perfect continuous tense. Similarly, now number 5, he wrote a letter. Again, students, identify the verb. This is the second form of verb. It indicates that it is simple past tense. Now, why it is simple past tense? Because the verb is in second form. It was in present tense because the verb was in first form. That's why I have said whenever you see any sentence, first of all, identify the form of verb. Now, number 6, he was writing a letter. Again, identification was ing. Similarly, like is ing. Is continuous. Whenever there is was, were plus ing to verb, it is past continuous tense. Now number 7, he had written a letter. The word had and third form indicates that it is past perfect. Similarly, I have told you whenever there is has, have plus third form, it is present perfect. Whenever there is had plus third form, it is past perfect. Number 8, he had been writing a letter. Had been plus ing indicates that it is past perfect continuous tense. It means whenever there is had, been plus ing to verb, it is past perfect continuous. Now next, he will write a letter. Again students, will or shall. Whenever will or shall is there in a sentence, it indicates that it is simple future tense. Number 10, he will be writing a letter. Will be plus ing indicates that it is future continuous tense. He will have been writing a letter. Will have been plus ing indicates that it is future perfect continuous tense. I hope students rules are clear to you. Remember one thing, the most important thing in tenses are rules. You have to learn these rules, that what comes in simple present, first form of verb. In continuous is, am, are plus ing. In perfect, has, have plus third form of verb. Perfect continuous has, have, been plus ing to the verb. Simple past, second form of verb. Past continuous was, were plus ing. Past perfect had plus third form of verb. Past perfect continuous had been plus ing. Simple future will or shall. Will or shall plus first form of verb. Future continuous will be plus ing. Future perfect continuous will have been plus ing, and future perfect tense he will have written a letter. This is future perfect tense. Now, the most difficult thing which you find during tenses is change the tenses. Now I will take one more example. For example, she sings a song. Change into past continuous tense. Now immediately what you will remember? The rule of past continuous tense was, were plus ing to the verb. She was singing a song. Now change this sentence into present perfect. Immediately remember the rule. Present perfect is has, have plus third form of verb. She has sung a song. Change this sentence into future continuous tense. Immediately remember the rule. Future continuous tense will be ing. She will be singing a song. You can write shall also. Will or shall. Now change this sentence into simple past tense. She sang a song. Change this sentence into present perfect tense. She has sung a song. Change this sentence into past perfect. She had sung a song. Now students, did you see that I am just putting the rules in a sentence and it is so easy to change the sentences. The first thing when someone says to change the tense, first of all you have to remember the rule. She sings a song. This is simple. I have changed in past continuous, was singing. This is past continuous. I said to change in present perfect, had sung. This is in present perfect. I said to change into present continuous, will be singing. This is future continuous. I said to change into simple past. It means second form of verb. Simple past change into present perfect. See, it's so easy to change because I have remembered all the rules. Present perfect change into past perfect. So students, I hope you have understand how to change one form of tense to another form of tense without any doubt or without mixing the rules. Only one tip for you to remember the tenses is to learn the rules, how these rules are applicable in changing the tenses. Thank you and have a nice day.